Welcome to Lawyer in the Kitchen. Today we're going to make maple bacon Brussels sprouts. They're going to be fantastic. My understanding is if you have kids, this is the way you get them to eat this. You want about 1.5 pounds of Brussels sprouts. These are big, so we're going to cut these at least in half. A 1/4 cup of maple syrup and 6 or 8 slices of bacon. We're going to fry that up and get that good, and then we're going to cook the Brussels sprouts in the bacon. This is a fast dish. It should be tasty as the devil. Pull off any bad leaves. These look pretty nice, actually, and I'm surprised because, as my wife will tell you, I hate the store that we get these in because they have horrible produce, but these actually look pretty good. All right, so we're going to cook about 6 pieces of bacon. We're going to cook this, that's about there. I'll probably turn that down after it gets going. We're going to use the fat to cook the Brussels sprouts. This should be absolutely tasty. So we're going to add a little salt. And a little pepper. And we're going to let it cook some more. We want to make sure it caramelizes. And I'm going to add just a little bit of butter. Okay, these have cooked for about 10-11 minutes. These are bigger than some Brussels sprouts I've seen. The smaller ones are certainly done. And we've got nice caramelization on them. And it's time, look at that, doesn't that look good? There we go, look at that, nice and dark. All right, now we're gonna add about a 1/4 cup of maple syrup. Do use real maple syrup. It really makes a difference. It has such a much better taste. Now we're going to do some of the bacon. We'll save some for the top. Crumble this up. That's it. We're ready to plate. Let's try maple bacon Brussels sprouts. Get a piece of bacon. Are sweet. It's got the taste of Brussels sprouts. It's fantastic. It really is good.
Do you want a fork, Felicity?
Yeah.
Okay.
Felicity does not have class or style.
So my podcast.
What I've read is that they do because of the sugar. Sweet.
It doesn't taste like Brussels sprouts.
It's not like chewy like Brussels sprouts usually are.
You can really taste the maple in the bacon.
Oh, it's so good.
That is really good.
If you like this video, please subscribe. Come back again, and I'll see you next time on Lawyer in the Kitchen.